Welcome to the world of advanced wood joinery, where precision meets artistry in creating perfect connections. We'll explore 11 essential wood joint types, each with unique strengths and applications in woodworking. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each joint type is crucial for making informed decisions in your projects. Master the miter joint to create seamless corners with precision cutting, essential for picture frames and moldings. Pocket hole joinery offers a simple yet strong solution for visible surfaces, perfect for quick and sturdy assemblies. Reinforce your connections with biscuit and dowel joints, adding strength and alignment to your woodworking projects. The art of mortise and tenon joints achieves robust 90-degree connections, ideal for table legs and frames. Craft functional furniture using dado joints for shelves and drawers, ensuring stability and clean lines. Experience the magic of tongue and groove joints, creating tight, interlocking connections with hidden end grain. Master dovetail and finger joints to achieve the strongest end grain connections in your woodworking projects. Maximize joint strength through smart wood selection and proper grain orientation in your designs. Learn essential tips and avoid common mistakes to ensure perfect wood joints every time you work. Remember, mastering these techniques takes practice. With patience, you'll create woodwork that lasts generations. Ready to elevate your woodworking skills? Visit our website for more in-depth tutorials and resources.